and this is your girl Stephanie. Come back at you guys with another video, and let me tell you, I think I found the perfect eyelashes. Seriously, I think I found the perfect eyelashes. And guess what? It will be my own eyelashes, and let's see if this works. I purchased this stuff right here. I hear a lot of people are talking about this, and I wanted to see how it will work on my eyelashes, and it is 3D mascara. Let me see if I can let you guys see that it is 3D mascara, and I better make sure I got that up there right because girl don't have her glasses on. Let me put my glasses on real quick. Oh, take that back, guys. It is heavy full figure membrane force eyelash cream, and it is 4D. It is right here. This is the mascara I got right here. So let's see how this works. Now, if this stuff work good, no more eyelash. I'm not gonna say no more to eyelash extensions because I'm really planning on getting me some eyelash extensions when I get back in America. And but for now, if this works, this is gonna be my go-to. But I know I'm not gonna be doing any glued on eyelashes because your girl don't know how to do them. Maybe every now and again I might try some magnetic eyelashes, but don't think so because I'm too afraid that they're gonna fall off my face, off my eyes. So let's see. Your girl is excited. So and isn't this cute? You know, sometimes I think you pay for the color, you know, what it look like. And it comes with this little handy comb. Look at that. And once you put the mascara on, you just take it, comb your eyebrows. I don't know how to act. Let me see what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna be looking in the mirror. I'm gonna zoom in so you all can see what my eyelashes look like. That way we'll know what we're going for. See my eyelashes? Now I'm gonna leave that right there so you guys can see my eyelashes. I'm gonna be looking in the mirror because, you know, I don't want it all over my face and everything. I'm all made up because my husband and I about to go out on the town and chill. But when I get done putting on my makeup, you know, I got to let you all see what my outfit is looking like for today. It's a little just dressy down, kind of like a boho style look or something like that. Nothing too over the top. Just, you know, just a quick, maybe out on the beach, sit out on the beach and do something like that. But let's go. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm gonna do this one first. See what the bottom looks like. Now y'all see my eyelashes now. Y'all see that? Sorry, my eyes are a little red. My allergies are acting up. Now you see. Let's see. Okay, hold on. That's the bottom one on that side. Do y'all see any difference? Comment down below. Let me know if you guys notice anything different. So let's keep starting and let's finish this. And once I'm completely finished, then I'll let you all see. Oh, now what y'all think? Tell me what you think. I think I got myself a new set of eyelashes with just my own now. Ooh, your girl is feeling. Ooh, I feel like a new chick. Oh my, look at that. Oh, now let me see. Now we're gonna take our little handy dandy. And look at it. Now you know they done went all out. Look at this. You just bend that bad boy like that. Now let's comb them out and see what this is gonna do. I don't think you, I guess this is how you comb them out. You comb them out so that it don't have any clumps in it, I guess. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love, love, love. Yeah, look. I feel like, you know how when you be on that roller coaster, you be all excited but nervous at the same time for that adrenaline rush. That adrenaline rush. That's what I'm feeling right now. Tell me what you think. Look, don't that look good? Yep. Ooh, I think I got myself. Ooh, my husband is gonna be loving these. I think I got myself a new set of eyelashes. That looks good. Oh, and guys, I got on my green contact lenses. Y'all see my green contact lenses? But anyway, guys, y'all want to help me? Now I need to take my hair down. So while y'all are sitting here with me, I will let you all, as soon as I can find what I did, I will let you all stay here with me while I take my hair down. I suppose I have some spray. All right, let me back up some so I can take my hair down. Woo-hoo. Now, if I had the outfit on, shoot, I would wear this scarf, but I'm like, nah, let's take this down. Oh, look at that, your girl here looking rough. Okay. Now I'm gonna look in this mirror so that I can see too when I take my hair down. I need to spray it with some water. Baby, may you give me my water bottle on the vanity in the bedroom, please? Guys, while my husband giving me my water bottle, yes. Your girl got a blast now. Yes, I got some more H2O up in here. Let's see. This stuff better turn out right. I caught myself twisting it to, because I took a shower and I wanted to kind of give it a little, I wanted to kind of give it a little curly look to it at the same time. I don't know how it's going to work, but we'll see how that works, how it's going to work. Now, I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this, oh my God, what I got in here? Rose water. Yes, rose water, vitamin E, and bottled water. Now y'all probably like, that's a lot of water, but no, we getting ready to go outside, and it's already getting hot over here in Kuwait, so I want my hair to be moist. And another thing with this bottle, it really doesn't soak your hair up like that, so it's just it's some very fine mist, and so that's what I like about this bottle. And then I'm gonna do my I'm just gonna do my shake like this. Hold my earring. Yeah. So that's my hair, guys. Now I am about to go and put on my makeup. Lord. Now I'm about to go put on my outfit, and when I get done, I will show you all my outfit for this evening, and go pick out what glasses that I'm gonna wear, and see you guys. Today's outfit is, if you see in some of my videos, I like to wear a lot of baggy clothes. I like that whole hobo style. So I'm in between like traditional, retro, boho, vintage, and so I like all type of styles but mainly I'm into more like a vintage and traditional and a boho style. So to me, I think this is a little bit on the boho side, and so I really, really like it. It's comfortable. Like I said, my husband and I are gonna go out and about and sit on the beach side, and I'll still be comfortable. And so I have on my loving these shoes. I have on my black and white shoes. You know, back in the day, we called these black eyed peas shoes. So I'm gonna say there, I have on my black eyed peas. And I love these things, and I got them in several different pairs. You'll see that coming up. And I have on this really, really baggy jumpsuit, romper, and it's really comfortable. It is made out of linen, and I had this. I actually had this one copied. I had this one made in offer of a picture, and my tailor over here made it for me. Oh, and the shoes, I got the shoes on Amazon. So shoes on Amazon. I have on my black and silver bracelets. Yeah, I don't have on any silver, but it's still, you know, you can get the idea of what I'm going for. And I had on my white watch band, and you guys already seen this band. And then I got this around my arm because in case your girl get hot, she need to put her hair up. And I have on the white loop earrings, and I got my purse, guys. See, you know, look, I got my black and white purse to match my outfit, so I can be looking spiffy and all that good stuff. But anyway, guys, that is my outfit for today. I hope that you all liked it, and I am feeling it, and my husband said he loves it. So, guys, with that being said, we're about to go have some fun, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.